Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We just acquired 4 vehicles from a collector down in Texas. He has about 80 or 90 cars in his collection. They do like to do it big down in Texas. But this is one of them. It's a 1948 Chevy 3100 series Deluxe. It's got the corner windows here, and it's all updated with all the modern running gear and all the goodies, which we'll go over. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, see photos top to bottom, and get the price on this vehicle and a few hundred others that are for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you'll be notified as these videos are put out there. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. It is body off the frame restored. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it is body off the frame restored. The whole chassis is red. The front end is a Camaro subframe, all rebuilt, new ball joints, all new up front. It's got a 10-bolt rear end. It has a 700 R4 overdrive automatic, so it's a great highway cruising car. New shocks, nice new exhaust system. So underneath the truck is real nice. It's all metal, fenders, body, it's all metal, real truck. Inside the bed, it's got refinished oak with stainless strips, and it's got the spray-on like rhino lining around the sides. It's straight, it's not beat up. This does seem to be fixed right now. It's bolted in place. If you wanted it to open for whatever reason, all the hinges and stuff's available. It's got the original style tail lights. They look like they're new bumper, polished torque thrust wheels. And it's black with a red interior. Stunning combination. The glass is excellent. The rubber gaskets are new. Tinted glass, tinted windshield. New mirrors, new emblems. Up front here, all new trim. All beautiful, shiny, straight. It's got some pinstriping going on. I mentioned it's not perfect. There's a little bit of bubbling right in here, some little pimples in the paint. There's a scratch or a scrape right here. It's been touched up with a brush. So it's very presentable, good-looking truck, but not a $100,000 show truck, but it does show really well. It's a 5-liter, which is a GM 305 motor. Edelbrock carb with electric choke. HEI ignition looks new. It's got headers, chrome alternator, polished intake, an aluminum radiator. Features power steering, power disc brakes. Has a smooth firewall. Bam, there's that red interior. It really pops. So all new upholstered door panels. They did a real nice job. It's got adjustable reclining bucket seats. The headliner is done to match the seats and the door panel pattern. It's got the factory style gauges in the dash. That is a new polished tilt column with a deluxe wheel. Fire it up for you. It runs nice. Just a cruiser. These trucks are so popular. I love this Chevy of this vintage. They're nice and rounded. They're just good-looking trucks. People want the deluxe version. Colors are great. Built to be a driver. It's got the stainless strip up the middle of the hood. I think that was an accessory. I noticed when we pulled it in here, the black paint, the wax is a little smeary, so we'll wipe it down one more time, get rid of all that. So there you have it. You can go to our website. You can look underneath it, find out all about the truck. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. Please, whatever questions or concerns you have, let us know. We'll try and answer them for you. You want more pictures, more video, let us know. We can also help you with the financing and getting it delivered to your door. That's at volocars.com. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.